Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two incredible products from iRobot that are sure to revolutionize your cleaning routine. In this video, we'll be comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is priced at $799, while the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes in at $549. As you can see, there's a significant price difference between the two models. If budget is a concern for you, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus might be the better option. Now, let's talk about performance. Both models offer powerful performance and pickup thanks to their 4-stage cleaning systems. However, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus has an advantage with its proprietary Dirt Detect technology. This feature allows it to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly when the vacuum bin is installed. One of the standout features of these models is their ability to automatically empty their bins. Both the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus can empty their bins on their own for up to 60 days. This means you can go 2 whole months without thinking about vacuuming. It's a game changer for busy individuals or those who simply want to spend less time cleaning. Moving on to the vacuum and mop functionality. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus both offer this feature, allowing you to switch between vacuuming and mopping with ease. However, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus takes it a step further by including the Roomba Combo Bin, specifically designed for mopping. This means you can achieve shiny, dust-free floors effortlessly. When it comes to navigation, both models utilize advanced navigation systems to clean your home efficiently. However, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus takes it a step further with its neat rose cleaning pattern. With overlapping passes, it purposefully and logically cleans in parallel lines across multiple floor types, ensuring a thorough clean without missing a spot. Last but not least, let's talk about the smart features. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus shines in this category. It learns your home and creates an imprint smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean any room you want whenever you want. Additionally, it understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop, making it incredibly convenient to use. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus have received positive reviews from customers. Here's a summary of some Amazon reviews. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Both models have their unique strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.